Ash Wednesday, a guide to traditional foods.
Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into an interesting topic, Ash Wednesday and its associated traditional foods. As a day of fasting for many Christians around the world, the culinary choices can be quite unique and steeped in cultural and religious significance.
What is Ash Wednesday?
Ash Wednesday marks the beginning of Lent, a period of 40 days of fasting, reflection, and penance in the Christian calendar, leading up to Easter. As a day of fasting, many Christians will have one full meal and two smaller meals, and abstain from meat.
What are the traditional foods?
While there aren't any specific foods associated globally with Ash Wednesday, there are certain eating habits guided by the religious restrictions of the day. The most universal guideline is the abstinence from meat. In many cultures, this has led to a rich tradition of eating fish and vegetarian dishes. Some common food items might include fish dishes, such as fish and chips, grilled fish, or seafood pasta. Vegetarian meals. These can vary widely but often feature hearty vegetables, legumes, and grains. Soup. Many cultures have specific types of soup they prefer on fasting days, such as vegetable or lentil soup.
Are there any exceptions?
Yes, there are exceptions. Some Christian denominations, such as the Eastern Orthodox Church, have different fasting rules. They may restrict not only meat but also dairy products, oil, and wine. Thus, their food choices may be more limited, focusing on vegan meals, with simple preparations of grains, vegetables, and legumes. So, while there's no specific food universally associated with Ash Wednesday, the tradition of fasting and abstaining from certain foods has shaped distinct culinary practices across different cultures and denominations. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the significance of food during this important day in the Christian calendar. Stay tuned for more fascinating dives into food and culture. Thanks for watching.